How to back up WhatsApp business messages. First of all, launch the WhatsApp business application in a mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with WhatsApp or your business account. Once you're on this chat page, now tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Here tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down and here you have to tap on chats. Once you're on the chat page, again scroll down, there you will have chat backup, tap on it. Now first of all you have to select your Google account, tap on Google account. Tap on continue, tap on allow. Now you have to choose your Google account where you want to back up your chat. Now once you have added your Google account, tap on the frequency. Now you can choose a frequency in order to back up your chat. Now once you have chosen your frequency, if you want to include videos in your backup, you can simply turn on this toggle that says include video. And if you want to back up using your cellular data in case you don't have, or if your Wi-Fi connection is disconnected, so at that moment you can use your cellular data. For that, tap on this backup cellular or backup using cellular data and turn on the toggle. And at the last, there is end-to-end encryption. For added security, you can protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. In order to protect your backup, tap on end-to-end encryption backup, then tap on turn on. Now you have to create a password for the end-to-end encrypted backup. And make sure you do not forget the password that you have created. And if you forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp will not help you recover your backup. So make sure not to forget your password. Then tap on create password. Now you have to create a password for the end-to-end encryption. Then tap on next. Again type in. Now once you have set up your password, tap on create. And here the end-to-end encryption is set up and it is turned on. Now once you are done, there at the top you will find backup. All you have to do is simply tap on backup. And with that, your WhatsApp business messages will be backed up. So that is the way to back up WhatsApp business messages, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.